You're doing great. Good job, good job. I'm proud of you. Good job. Good job, good job. Good job. Good job. Great job, great job. Good job. We're almost done, okay? We're almost done. We're almost done, okay? We're almost done. Shake up the contents a bit. A little closer now. We're gonna take a break. And then again. A break. And then again. Good job. Break. Then again. A break. Then again. Break. You did really good, okay? We're gonna end right now, okay? Good job. We'll save the rest of the chemicals for later. I'm just gonna put it in your eye a little bit again, okay? Right directly in your eye. Directly. So let me just right there. Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. Now I have to use the other one, okay? Good job. I'm going to use now wipes to clean your eyes out, okay?
O negócio do celular. Você gosta de fast tapping? Eu gosto, por isso que eu faço. Se você gostar de mais devagarzinho, só me fala que eu faço.
make sure that you're okay. Let me switch to the other hand, okay? You're doing good, you're doing good. Just stay calm. Keep your eye open, okay? And everything will be fine. Sorry about that. You're gonna come out of this on top, don't worry. step, I promise. Now that everything is pretty much out, we're gonna take the crusty hard parts that have become softened with this, okay? Are you ready? Okay, great. Is it hurting? Am I being too aggressive? No? Okay, great. The faster we handle this, the faster your eye heals, okay?